I finally get BAP Carnival album, the normal version. The song that I love the most and that made me buy this album and to listen to them more is Feel So Good. So this is the side, the front, and the back. So let's open it. I need to be pretty careful because I don't want to damage my albums. Hope I didn't damage anything. Let's see. So put them all the way instead of taking it out. It's too tight. So this is the album, this is the CD, the back of the CD, BIP. The CD is really beautiful. The album, photo book. Carnival. I'm sorry, I don't really know their names yet because I just started to listen to them. I just had an album long ago of them because I tried to listen to them, but I didn't really like the album, the last one that I did have. But this one I really like it, so I'm trying to get into them. But because my bias group is big, as you already know, I don't have much time to see the other variety show for now. So pretty. Oh, it's amazing. The pictures are really good, well taken, good quality. If you don't know about this group, please listen to Feel So Good. Suggest you to listen to this one because this is the one that I did like, and the one I don't know which one other will suggest. If you have any other song of them that suggest me to listen, let me know. But this album is the one that got me into them once again. So this is the end. And of course the photo card that I got. The album is pretty. It's not really into the cover, so I'm afraid it will get bent or something. So this is the photo card, really beautiful Carnival BAP. This is the member that I've got. Of course I won't be keeping for now their photo card, so it's up for trade or sale. If you want, just tell me. But the CD I will be keeping. What I carry the CD for now because there's no much groups that I get the photo cards for. So this is all. Bye bye.